The Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 was recently released as the Poco F7 5G in this region. You may watch the complete build quality video by pressing the links in the top right corner, in the description or at the end screen. Starting directly this time only with the Oleophobic test, skipping the bathing part since we are supremely confident about the water resistance capabilities of the Poco F7 or Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. And as you can see, the coat of Oleophobic is in place as it should be, even at the glass back. Now onto the heavy drenching round, skipping the light splashing round for obvious reasons, as we usually do for IP67 and above devices. Again, we are tremendously confident that any amount of heavy drenches for the triple IP rated Turbo 4 Pro or Poco F7 should be a piece of cake under any sort of circumstance. The true nature of the IP66 rated implementation will be thoroughly tested out during this heavy drenching session of liquid abuse. Until now, no signs of any initial damage, including low audio distortion or permanent liquid damage, can be seen, felt or noticed at this stage of the water abuse. Also, the presence of the red rubber sealant on the tray does give an extra boost of confidence regarding the ability to resist liquid abuse. Before trying to drown the Poco F7 5G, let's get on with the IP69 hard testing by subjecting the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 Pro to highly powerful jets of water directed especially at the largest holes and ports towards the bottom, the second speaker grill at the earpiece, plus on all possible sides and angles of this beautifully crafted limited edition dual tone design of the Poco F7 5G. This is only the second time that a high pressure jet test is being performed on the channel to test the effectiveness of IP69 rating, so we are not totally certain what can be expected of it, even though the previous IP69 device did survive. Even then, the trust on the Poco brand is still sky high because of its excellent track record on the channel. There is some low volume with distortion going on in the top speaker, but the main bottom speaker seems to be completely blocked due to the high pressure jet abuse. A little bit of shaking did manage to bring back some life into it, though with heavy distortion. The Poco F7 is still alive, and thankfully now we can go ahead to test the effectiveness of the IP68 rating by free submersion. Let's throw the Turbo 4 Pro inside water to start the process of underwater freeze abuse. Now it's time to add some cold water before shifting it inside a freezer. And adding some ice to speed up the cooling process. Things seem to be going according to plan at this stage. The Poco F7 is working without any glitches, and you can hear the music playing even inside the freezing cold water. At the first checkpoint to see if things are fine after a few minutes. No issues as of now, with the music still running in the underwater background. At the second and final checkpoint, after about 7 minutes, things look okay as expected of a genuine IP68 rated device. Now let's leave it unattended and undisturbed, letting it marinate in freezing conditions for the rest of the IP68 liquid reviews.
Hours later.
The time has come to finally check the authenticity of the IP68 rating on the Poco F7 or Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. The water is already melting fast, and we are hoping that it's not a slow, disastrous fail like the Poco X7 5G, which took 3 full days to completely die out. A great deal of obvious and audible sound distortion, although surprisingly the volume level seems to be close to normal. A very slight amount of harmless condensation onto tempered glass protection, which is normal. The touchscreen and phone functions also seem to be unharmed after the underwater freeze abuse. No signs of headphone icon issue or blank or black screen issues. And also, no camera fogging, which is a great sign for any device. No issues with the camera functionality as well. And as for audio distortion, that should rectify itself after a few hours. Or else, you can use the inbuilt clear speaker feature, which actually is very effective. Again, kudos to the Poco team and engineers for creating an awesome device, strong in all areas of build quality, including giving their loyal fans a complete liquid resistance IP certified package.